The way to add strings in Lua is with two dots and not the plus symbol. So adding 1 and 2 as two strings will make it 12. So what happens if we try to use the plus symbol with strings? You can see that it printed 3. So in Lua, if plus is used with strings, it first tries to convert the string to a number and then add the number together. When the string cannot be converted to a number, it results in an error. You can also add number to a string, so adding another 3 would make it 6. Common shorthand to append to a variable. The plus and the equal sign together. So changing the plus to two dots, unfortunately, it does not work in Lua.